Panchayat and Gullak have emerged as breakout hits, capturing the essence of rural India. These shows are a refreshing departure from the glitz and glam of mainstream entertainment, bringing authenticity and simplicity to the forefront. At the core of their success is the depiction of relatable, everyday life in small towns. The charm of these shows lies in their portrayal of the mundane, yet meaningful experiences of ordinary people. From local politics in Panchayat to the relatable struggles of the Mishra family in Gullak, these narratives resonate deeply with viewers. Jitendra Kumar, who plays the protagonist in Panchayat, said, "The beauty of Panchayat is in its simplicity and honesty. It reflects the true spirit of rural India." This sentiment is echoed by fans who find a piece of their own lives in these stories. Gullak is a heartwarming portrayal of a middle-class family's daily struggles and joys. The show's creator, Shreyansh Pandey, remarked, "We wanted to create something that feels like home to our viewers." Gullak is about finding beauty in the ordinary. These shows also highlight the values and traditions that are often overlooked in urban-centric narratives. The strong sense of community, the simplicity of rural life, and the inherent warmth of these stories create a nostalgic connection for many viewers. Fans have taken to social media to express their love for these shows. One viewer tweeted, "Watching Panchayat is like taking a trip back to my childhood in the village," while another commented, "Gullak reminds me of the simple pleasures and struggles of middle-class life." The critical acclaim and awards won by these shows are a testament to their impact. Panchayat and Gullak have not only won hearts but have also set a new benchmark for storytelling in Indian television. The success of these shows has also paved the way for more content that explores the richness of small-town life. The realistic portrayal of characters and settings has opened up new avenues for storytelling, offering a refreshing change from the usual fare. Creators and actors of these shows emphasize the importance of authenticity. The attention to detail, from the dialect to the setting, ensures that the portrayal is as genuine as possible. This commitment to realism is a key factor in their success.